Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve outdated or missing drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So outdated or missing drivers are one of the most common causes of hardware issues in Windows. If your computer suddenly loses sound, the screen resolution changes, a USB device stops working, or the Wi-Fi connections becomes unstable after an update, chances are the problems lies with the system drivers. And common cause of this error include outdated, corrupted, incompatible driver, device stop working after Windows update, device disappear from the system with yellow warning signs, Windows show error codes, and random crashes and freezes. Then the hardware may stop functioning or cause unexpected error. Then I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check device manager for drivers issues. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu, and then you need to select this device manager. And then once you open up here the device manager, and then look for any devices with a yellow triangle icon or unentry labeled unknown devices. So you need to find and locate those yellow triangle icon. So we have here at the display adapters. So all you have to do is to select this arrow to expand. And then you can see this display adapters drivers. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need to select this properties. And then here at graphics properties, and then you need now to select this driver. So here in drivers, then you need now to find and locate those information details about this triangle icons. So we have this driver details, so you can view details about the installed drivers and files. So click this, and then next step, then you need to update driver. So you need to update or tap this update drivers. And then you need to roll back drivers if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. And also you can disable device and uninstall. And the next step, then you need to tap this update driver. In updating this driver, so we have two options like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to select this search automatically for drivers and then click, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then after here at display adapters, and look another triangle icons that you can see here at device manager. So we have here this storage controllers. So all you have to do is to same procedure, click this arrow to expand. And then you can see this the chipset drivers. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then click this properties. So here select this driver tab, and then you need to tap this update driver. In updating drivers, we have two options like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer. And then you need now to select this search automatically and then click, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then after here at device manager, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to use system tools to detect or verify problems. So advanced user can try built-in Windows tool to further analyze driver issues. On how to do that, so all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here you need to type the CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then run the following commands. So the first commands we will do is to detect and fix corrupted system file. So just type in here this command keyword, sfc /scan now. Alright, so just type this command keyword sfc /scan now. So this is the command that detect and fix corrupted system file, and then you need to press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command that we will do is to type this command keyword verifier. So just type this command keyword verifier.exe. So this command is to check for driver conflicts or instability. So use this command with a cautions. All right. So once you type here and then press enter, and then it will pop up this driver verifier manager. So we have here, so select a task, so select one of these, create standard settings, create custom settings, delete existing settings, display existing settings, display informations about the currently verified drivers here. Then click next to create standard settings. Alright, so you will then be asked to select the drivers to verify. So select only here and then follow the screen's instructions. Alright, so once you're done here at say MD, then we need to close. And the last command keyword that we need to enter. So in here at search menu, and then you need to type this command keyword msinfo32. Alright, so this is the system informations and then click open. And you can see now the system informations about the system summary, hardware resources, components, and software environment. Alright, so you can see all the informations here, the complete informations about your system. Okay, so once you're done here, and that's it guys. Alright, so thanks for watching and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.